When a service advisor is arranging repair orders in the order they want to work on them, similar to the metal rack we used to have, the service writer would put them in the order from top down. Number one priority to the top, number two down, and so on. So in this case, we're going to assign a new repair order to this technician. I'm going to hover over the double crossbar or the double dotted lines, get my crossbar, hold down the left mouse button. I'm going to drag it over to the technician, and I'm going to put it in the order I want them to work on it, which is going to be in the number one position. And press apply. And now it's in the number one position. So the service writer job is to arrange them in top down. It's the service writer's job to arrange it from top down in the order they want them to be worked on to satisfy the customer. And it's the technician's job to work on them on their tablet from left to right. Highest priority is on the left, and they'll work their way down on the tablet. The service writer will know the technician is working on the correct repair order because as soon as the technician opens it up on their tablet, the service writer is going to get instant feedback on the Today's Vehicle page. They'll get a green highlighted bar, and they'll also get the yellow clipboard in the lower left-hand corner of the tile. So at all times, the technician should be working on the top one or two on the repair order rack for the service advisor. If they start working way down here, it's probably time to give them a message because they're not working on them in the order needed to make sure the customer is taken care of.